Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be recreating a Valentine's Day look, which is this look. I hope you guys can see. Hold on, can you see? I hope you guys can see, but I'm gonna be creating this look. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and did this eye off camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye now. So this look is really simple. So I went ahead and used these little heart stickers that I got from Walmart. I was originally using these, but for some reason, like, they don't stick well to the eye. They kept lifting up every single time I was pressing the brush through it. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this one in the middle, just like that. Looks so. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer. So I'm going to be using only two shades, which is the pink shade from the James Charles. I look so weird. But it's the pink shade from the James Charles palette and also the red shade. So I'm using only two brushes because I'm only using two shades. This is my Wet n Wild blending brush, and this is from the Anastasia palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the pink shade, which I'm pretty sure is called Pinkity Drinkity. I don't have the little plastic thing anymore. I threw it away. It was getting on my nerves. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start in the inner corner and just blend out right there. And then I'm gonna bring it to the middle. No, you want to be kind of somewhat careful when you're doing it around the heart, simply because the sides can lift up and it's gonna get annoying. So I'm just like tapping near it. Alright, so I'm bringing the pink shade up to my brow bone. I need to get my brows done. Like, they are so bad. I have to go with it. Alright, so once I'm done with the pink shade, I'm going to go ahead with the red shade. And I'm going to use the flat side of this brush. And I'm going to just go ahead and tap it on from the sides of the heart. I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. So lately I've been watching a lot of like cases where people either go missing or they get killed and shit like that. I'm like so into that. I don't know why. I remember when I was younger. Well, I'm still interested in it, but not as I used to be. I remember when I was younger, I wanted to major in forensics and be a detective to be able to tell how someone died, or what happened in a murder scene, in a crime scene, right? Murder scene, yeah. But for some reason, I just ended up wanting to make up. I don't know. So I've been watching a lot of those videos. Tell me how I had a dream that I got kidnapped. It was so weird. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the sticker. So now I'm gonna be using my Stilla eye glitter, and then with my little, what the brush looks like, my little eyeliner brush, I'm gonna go ahead and just bring it out. Literally, that's all you do. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on. I low-key want to get a second job just so I have extra money, like, yeah, just to get like extra money. But I know if I get a second job, it's gonna be so hard to be consistent with videos on YouTube, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm debating it. Okay, so I applied my lashes. I used my lashes. These, I honestly don't know where I got these from, but it just says Milk 3D Hair, and they're in the style D005. I honestly don't know where I got them from. It doesn't even say like it doesn't even say the company name on the packaging or anything. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera and I'll be right. Oh my god, my nose is running. Oh fuck, I hate when that shit happens. Oh my god, can you tell how fucking different? Oh my god, what the hell? You'll see how dark I am? I think I need a new foundation. With this foundation, but there's days that I don't. I just thought of a good idea for a video. I'm pretty sure people have done this. I washed all my brushes, guys. It took me like 3 hours, but it's okay. I hate, like, oh my god, I hate that you can see my pores. I want a new, what's it called, primer. I have tried literally so many primers and none of them do what I want them to do. I feel like they all just sit on my face and don't do shit. Like, to be honest, like, I'm not even lying. I feel like primers don't do anything. In my last video, I mentioned how my mom had watched my story time. Well, while I was telling her like about the situation, because she asked me like when did it happen and all this stuff. When I was telling her about it, I was getting like some good reactions from her. I don't live with my mom anymore, so I told her that I was going to tell her everything that I have done that I wasn't supposed to do under her roof. That I was gonna tell her, and like I'm gonna make a video. I know I seen Shelby. I don't know if you guys watch Shelby. I seen Shelby post that on Twitter, and I was like, oh, that's smart. But then when I started telling my mom about everything, like about the whole situation with the police and everything, that's when it came to my head, like, oh, I should do a video too. It would be funny, even though I'm gonna get my ass beat, but it's okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead with this channel. I'm gonna go ahead and use the pink shade and put it on my waterline. This look is me, like, it's a Valentine look. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my red lipstick. You know how I was talking about the cases that I watch and everything? Well, I had watched a case yesterday. I had seen how I was watching one, and it was talking about how this girl got killed because she was at the club with her friends, but she got too drunk to the point that they had to kick her out the club, and she ended up leaving with some random guy that she had met at the club, and her friends basically let her leave with him, which is so fucking stupid. Like, how would you let your friend do that? Like, I would. It's just so stupid. The poor girl could have still been alive if her friends didn't let her leave with that random guy. Point then, she left with the random guy. They went to his apartment. She decided last minute she didn't want to go to his apartment, so she left. When she left, some guy ended up picking her up, asking her if she needed a ride. I guess she said yes. He took her. She ended up falling asleep in his van, and he ended up raping her. She woke up. She slapped him. He choked her and ended up killing her. Body in a cooler, and then buried her 5 feet underground. And like, I was just like, what the fuck? Like, I was just so. When I finished watching it, I was thinking to myself, like, this poor girl could have still been alive to this day if her stupid ass friends did not let her leave the club alone. I don't know, like, that's just me. That's just how I am. If my friend is too fucked up to walk, I'm gonna be by her side taking care of her, because I'm not gonna let anything happen to her or him, you know, either or. But where you let your, I was like, what the fuck? But whatever. And then I seen another case. Oh my god, I'm like so into these cases. But I seen another case where this guy kidnapped 3 girls. He had them at his house for 10 years. And what's crazy is that one of the girls that he had kidnapped, he was friends with her family. So, and she lived like in the same, her family lived in the same street as him. So when her family did like gatherings and rosaries and all that stuff while she was missing, he would attend them. Like he would go to them knowing damn well that the poor girl was at his house. And I was just like, what's wrong with these people? Like, these people are like, I don't know. I get myself scared because I'm like, damn, like literally anything can happen. So many people go missing, so many people get killed, so many people get murdered. And I just finished watching, oh my god, you know what? Well, I'm watching one right now. I haven't finished it, so I don't know everything that has happened. But so far, I know that this girl was dating this guy, and they had got an argument. They broke up, all this and that, you know, basic shit, whatever. Got back together, and then he had texted her while they were in an argument saying, if you come near me, I'm gonna kill you. So when they got back together, she ended up going missing, and later on they found her body in a lake or a creek, or I guess you would say kind of like a river, kind of, but more like a ditch kind of. So they found her body, and her feet were tied to a cement brick, and one of her socks was pushed down her throat. And they ended up finding out that it was her boyfriend that killed her. And I was like, what the fuck? Like, people are fucking crazy. A taser, like, I'm gonna buy a taser. I'm gonna buy a taser. I'm gonna buy a pepper spray. Like, sex trafficking has been such a big thing, and it's just crazy how people, how the mind and the heart, like, people, they don't even have a heart. Like, I don't know, it's just, I'm gonna shut up before I go into a whole different subject and just whatever. But if you guys are interested in watching the cases that I watched, I will leave the links down below so you guys can go ahead and watch them. The one of the 3 girls that got kidnapped, I know one of them, I know she made a book and explained everything that happened, and I know you can find it on Amazon. I want to buy it because I want to read it, but I haven't bought it, but I'm gonna buy it. So I'll have that link down below too if you guys are interested. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications to get notified every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.